Processor. This is the brain of the phone. Every time you tap a button or open an app, it instantly calculates what to do next. It performs millions of operations per second, faster than your morning coffee wakes you up. If your phone starts to lag, don't blame it too hard. Its brain is just tired. Fact: a processor's speed is measured in gigahertz. The higher it is, the faster your phone thinks. Motherboard, the nervous system. This is the nervous system of the phone. Everything connects here: the processor, camera, memory, antenna, battery, and even the charging port. If the motherboard is damaged, the phone basically forgets how to live. Fact: the motherboard is made of multiple layers of copper pathways that carry electrical signals, like blood vessels inside your body. RAM, the short-term memory. RAM is the phone's short-term memory. When you open an app, RAM keeps it ready for quick access. Fact: more RAM allows your phone to keep more apps open and switch between them faster. Storage, the long-term memory. This is your digital archive. All your photos, videos, music, and apps live here. When it gets full, your phone cries out, "Storage full." Fact: this is called flash memory. It keeps your data safe even when the phone is turned off. Battery, the heart of the phone. It keeps everything alive, but please don't drain it down to 1%. Even a heart needs rest sometimes. Fact: most modern batteries use lithium-ion technology and can handle around 500 to 1,000 full charge cycles. Speaker, the voice. This little guy lets your phone speak, sing, and shout. But don't drop it in water. It prefers silence over swimming. Fact: inside the speaker are magnets, a coil, and a vibrating diaphragm. Electric signals turn into sound waves you can hear. Microphone. This is how your phone listens to you. When you say hello, it turns your voice into electrical signals. Fact: microphones detect air pressure changes and convert them into electrical signals that represent your voice. Antenna, the invisible bridge. The antenna is an invisible superhero that connects you to the world. It catches your Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth signals. If you lose signal, it's not lazy, it's just fighting through walls. Fact: most phones have multiple antennas for calls, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS separately. Camera, the eye. The camera is your personal memory keeper. When you take a photo, light passes through lenses to tiny sensors that turn it into digital data. Magic? Almost. Fact: megapixels alone don't define quality. Sensor size and lens clarity matter just as much. Flashlight, the mini sun. This tiny sun saves you in the dark. It was built for the camera. Fact: flashlights use LED technology, bright light with low power consumption. Display, it shows you everything: text, photos, videos, and even reacts to your touch. When it doesn't respond, maybe your finger's just wet. Not the screen's fault. Fact: modern screens use either LCD or AMOLED technology. AMOLED displays give deeper colors, but consume more power. Sensors, the tiny detectives. Your phone is full of tiny detectives that always keep watch, but in a good way. Facts: accelerometer detects motion and tilt. Gyroscope knows your rotation and direction. Proximity sensor turns off the screen when it's near your face. Light sensor adjusts screen brightness automatically. Fingerprint sensor keeps your phone secure. Vibration motor, the messenger. This tiny motor reminds you that something happened. When a message arrives, it gently shakes to say, "Hey, check me." Sometimes it even plays pranks, vibrating for no reason. Fact: it works by spinning an unbalanced weight that causes small vibrations in the frame. Charging port, the power gate. This is your power gateway. Electricity and data flow through this small hole. A single dust particle here can ruin the whole party, so keep it clean. Fact: USB ports transfer both power and data. They're basically two roads in one tunnel. SIM slot, the identity card. This tiny tray holds your digital identity. The SIM card connects your phone to the network. Fact: SIM stands for Subscriber Identity Module. It stores your phone number and carrier information. Cooling system, the heat manager. Phones get hot too. That's why inside there's a cooling layer, usually graphite or a thin metal plate. It spreads heat evenly and keeps your phone from overheating. Fact: some advanced phones even use liquid cooling tubes to transfer heat more efficiently. Body, frame, the skeleton. This is the skeleton that holds everything together. When you drop your phone, this frame takes the hit first. So yeah, when your screen cracks, it actually saved the rest of the phone. Fact: phone bodies are made from aluminum, plastic, or glass. Each affects weight, durability, and heat resistance differently. Operating system, the soul. This is the soul of the phone. It tells every part what to do, when to wake up, and how to behave. Without it, your phone is just a silent, lifeless piece of metal. In fact, the OS connects software and hardware, like your brain connecting thoughts to actions. And there may be a few more parts missing from the video, one of which is the audio jack port. So now you know, a smartphone isn't just a gadget. It's a tiny world full of brains, hearts, and nerves. If you enjoyed this journey inside your phone, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and tell me in the comments which part of the phone surprised you the most.